Hey there, aspiring HVAC entrepreneur. Dreaming of launching your very own business? Let's dive right in. HVAC, or heating, ventilation, and air conditioning, is more than just keeping spaces comfy. It's about understanding technology and customer needs. First things first, gather knowledge. Enroll in HVAC courses or get certified. Knowledge is your best weapon. Got your certification? Great! Now, draft a solid business plan. This is your roadmap to success, covering every twist and turn. Don't forget about licenses and permits. Every state has its requirements, so do your homework. Starting a business requires capital. Consider loans, savings, or even investors. Plan your budget wisely. Invest in quality equipment and tools. Remember, better tools mean better service, and happy customers mean referrals. Now, let's talk branding. A catchy name, logo, and slogan can set you apart from the competition. Marketing is key. Use social media, SEO, and local advertising to spread the word about your HVAC services. Build a strong online presence. A user-friendly website and engaging content can generate leads and boost your credibility. Networking is gold. Join local business groups and HVAC associations. You never know where your next big opportunity might come from. Hire the right team. Male sign, female sign, skilled technicians and excellent customer service reps are the backbone of any successful HVAC business. Continuous learning is vital. Stay updated with the latest in HVAC tech and business trends to stay ahead of the curve. Remember, it's not just about the tech. Build strong relationships with your clients and offer impeccable service. Lastly, stay patient and persistent. Success doesn't happen overnight, but with dedication, your HVAC business will soar. Dream big, plan wisely, and hustle hard. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and share. And hey, best of luck with your HVAC journey.